Hello, welcome to Kiran Tutorials. This is part 3, difference between interpreter and compiler. Let's start with the video. Now we will see difference between compiler and interpreter. First of all, what is the compiler and what is the interpreter? Compiler and interpreter are the tools which are used to convert your high-level language program to the object code, to the machine language. Now we know very well whenever we are writing program in high level language, the program cannot be understood by the computer. If you want to execute the program, if you want to run the program, then we need to convert your program from high level language to low level language. Then only computer can understand the program and can execute it, can run it. Now we will see how compiler will work and how interpreter will work. That is the difference between compiler and interpreter. First point. Compiler translates entire program into machine language at a time. Interpreter translates and interprets line by line into machine language. So first of all, what is compiler? Compiler takes whole program at the same time and will convert it into a machine level language, machine language at a time. Whereas interpreter will translate the code, will interpret the code line by line, and then it will convert it into a machine language. Second point, it takes large amount of time to analyze the source code, but the overall execution time is comparatively faster. As compiler is taking whole code at a time, whole program at a time, and converting it into a machine language, definitely the time required to analyze the code, to check everything is correct or not, grammatically everything is correct or not, definitely it will take large amount of time. Whereas in interpreter, it takes less amount of time to analyze the source code, but the overall execution time is slower. As interpreter is translating the code line by line only, that is, it will take first line of the program, will check it is grammatically, syntactically correct. If yes, then only it will start analyzing the second statement, second instruction of the program. That's why it takes less amount of time to analyze the source code, whereas compiler takes large amount of time because it takes whole code simultaneously at a time, whereas interpreter takes only first line, it will convert it to a machine language, then it will take second line and so on. That is, it analyzes the code, source code line by line. That's why it takes less amount of time. Next point, it generates the error message. Compiler generate the error message only after scanning the whole program. Hence, debugging comparatively hard. Compiler takes whole program at a time, will analyze the code, will check what is the error in the program. If there are 10 errors in the program at 10 places, it will show all these 10 errors after analyzing whole program. That's why it generates the error message only after scanning the whole program. As I am able to see all the errors in my program at the same time, then definitely debugging is difficult, because if there are 10 errors in my program and I have to correct all these errors, then first of all I will go to the first error, I will make the correction, then after making correction into the first error, I'll go to the second error, I'll make the correction, and so on. That is why debugging is nothing but if there is any error in the program, making the correction into the program, that process is called as debugging. So debugging is what difficult in compiler. I will give you here one example. If I have given 10 mathematical questions to solve. Okay, I have solved all the 10 questions, and then I went to my sir, went to my teacher. Then my teacher has checked my all the examples. If there is error in the first example, he will tell me this, you have to solve this example like this. Similarly, in the second example, you have done this mistake, you will do it like this. So he will tell me all the 10 problem solution at the same time. And then when I will come to my bench again and I will start solving the examples, I will confuse for which example what solution my teacher has given me. Okay, and that's why debugging is what difficult in terms of compiler. Whereas in interpreter continues translating the program until the first error is met, in which case it stops, hence debugging is easy. In interpreter what happen? First of all, it will take the first line of the program, will analyze it. If it is correct, no problem, it will convert it to the machine level language. Then it will take second instruction. Suppose in the second instruction there is any error, there is any mistake. Immediately it will show me error and then I have to correct the error. Then only interpreter will convert it to the machine language and then it will take next instruction for analyzing part. Okay, that is what interpreter. So in terms of interpreter, I will say debugging is easy. Again, I will give the same example, that mathematical problems example. If I am solving first mathematical example, I will go to teacher. I will show him solution. If the solution is correct, no problem. He will ask me to solve second example. If there is error if there is any mistake in the second example, he will tell me solution, and he will ask me to go on my bench, solve it first, make the correction, and then come to me. Then that time it will be very easy for me to solve the examples. Because in interpreter, I am not going to switch to the second problem until and unless I am finishing the first problem. Whereas in compiler, solution for all the problems is given simultaneously. So it is difficult to remember. But in interpreter, all the solutions, all the errors are shown for the instruction wise, line by line. Hence debugging is easy. Next point. Errors are displayed after the entire program is checked and intermediate object code is generated. This is what the definition of the compiler. Compiler is a tool which takes source code as an input and convert it to the object code. Output of the compiler is object code. That is, compiler will take whole program simultaneously and will convert it to the object code. Here in interpreter, errors are displayed for every instruction interpreter. If it has taken the first instruction, if there is error, immediately it will show me the error. And when I will make the correction into the first sentence, first instruction, then only it will take second instruction for interpretation. Okay, so here no intermediate object code is generated. The languages which are using compiler are C, C++, whereas the languages which are using interpreter are Python, Ruby, okay, etc. These are the languages which are using interpreter. So this is what the difference in between compiler and interpreter. Thank you for listening.